In this video, I'm gonna show you how to present your design in a more professional way by using mockups. And well, you might ask, what is a mockup? Well, a mockup is a scale or a full-sized version of a real-life device, for example, an iPhone. Or in this case, we will use a paper since we have created a product line card. So, as you can see, this is the mockup, and we will present our design as a 3D paper, since I think it's kind of obvious that since we have created a product line card, it should be presented as a paper. So I'm gonna use this, but first I will have to save my design as a JPEG, for example, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna click Save As. I'm gonna name it, for example, my design, and I'm gonna select JPEG from the list, and I'm gonna click on Save. I'm gonna click OK because I want the best quality. And right now we have a save, a JPEG version of this design. And I'm gonna go over to this particular mockup. And by the way, you can search on the Google and find a decent number of mockups and kind of mockups of basically anything. So for example, you can find iPhone mockups, box mockups, and so on. And I'm searched through Google and I found this, and I think this will look good if I use this. So to use an actual mockup, and in this particular example, in this mockup, you can click on this group, and most of the times you will see a layer like this, which says put your design here. And you can double click on this layer, and it will take you to another PSD, PSB, and here you can put your design into the actual mockup. And after you save this PSB, the mockup is going to refresh and show your design instead of this default one. So I'm gonna put my JPEG that I've just saved here, and I'm gonna resize it because, as you can see, it's too small. So it will mess this resolution and the scale of this design, but it doesn't really matter, since the purpose of this is I want to present the product, that is the design, in a very professional way. And the reason I'm doing this is not because I want to show that the resolution and everything is perfect. I want to show that how it looks in real life, so approximately. So I'm gonna make it larger or longer, and now I can save it by hitting Ctrl S. And now if I go over here, as you can see, my design has been put into the mockup, and now I can save it as a JPEG file. So let's do that. I'll select JPEG from the list, and final design, for example. Hit save. And now if I go over to my JPEG file, here you can see that it's saved as a JPEG file, and you can present it now to the customer in a very professional way. And I think this was the final touch that was needed for me in the contest I won, to actually win the contest, because now the customer can actually imagine it as a real thing, and now they can see it as in real life. So this was the last lecture of creating a design, and basically I've shown you how to create one and how to present it in a very modern and professional way by using a mockup. And in the next video I'm gonna tell you some general tips and tricks about becoming a freelance designer online, and what you should look out in the future as a designer. So thank you for your patience and your time, and see you in the next video.